The super-large timber truck is an indispensable giant machine in the forestry industry. With a payload of up to 60-80 tons, each trip can carry 40-50 logs about 15-20 meters long. Thanks to the sturdy chassis system and engine with a capacity of over 600 horsepower, this forestry truck can easily overcome rugged mountainous terrain, transporting hundreds of tons of wood every day from the forest to the sawmill, serving large-scale wood and paper production.
These birds are gonna fall. They can fly.
The demolition excavator is a heavy-duty machine deployed to dismantle giant silos and tanks. With a boom up to 28 meters long and an operating weight of more than 90 tons, the machine can demolish a 40-meter-high concrete structure in just a few days.
That was awesome! That was so cool. Whoa. That was cool. I'm gonna see it again.
The Caterpillar 323 is a versatile demolition excavator, ideal for small and medium-sized demolition projects. With an operating weight of around 25 tons and a 9-meter boom, the Cat 323 easily demolishes high walls and roofs. Thanks to its powerful hydraulic hammer, it can demolish 700 square meters of house in just one day. The Inga Bonfiglioli mobile baler is a powerful machine for processing scrap metal, especially old cars. With a large compression chamber of 4,800 by 1,720 mm, the machine can compact the entire car body into bales in just a few minutes. With an estimated capacity of 10-ton slougher, the machine can crush dozens of old cars every day, optimizing storage space and preparing scrap for quick recycling. The Vermeer HG 6800TX is a heavy-duty wood crusher ideal for large-scale wood processing projects. With a powerful 950 horsepower engine, the HG 6800TX can crush up to 150 tons of wood per hour. The 1.5-meter wide inlet conveyor and track system make it easy to move over rough terrain, processing large tree trunks to hard roots in just a few minutes, turning them into mulch or wood chips for recycling and biomass energy production. The LKT-81 log tractor has a capacity of 180 horsepower, specially designed to transport large volumes of wood up to 21 cubic meters per trip. With the ability to overcome complex terrain and a powerful traction system, the LKT-81 optimizes the logging process, ensuring high performance and durability in harsh forestry environments. The Fecon FTX 128L is a machine that is specialized in crushing and clearing vegetation. Equipped with a 128 horsepower engine, with the ability to crush tree trunks and bushes up to 30 centimeters in diameter, it helps to quickly clear the ground on rough terrain. The machine's powerful hydraulic system and durable design ensure high performance in large-scale forestry and construction projects. Leave comment number 1. If you find this machine as a giant monster, powerful and easily pulls tons of wood in a snap. The TT4, a true beast, is a formidable logging machine that can conquer any challenge in the deep forest. With a powerful 95 horsepower engine, it easily pulls heavy timber trucks across rough terrain. Weighing 25.30 pounds, the TT4 is sturdy and durable, worthy of being a reliable companion in all harsh conditions. With up to 250 horsepower, this machine is capable of handling and transporting large tree trunks up to 58 centimeters in diameter. The Kohler 602 system supports the hauling of logs on steep terrain, optimizing the process of harvesting and transporting logs safely and efficiently. The Schobensteiner Holtz Zeta VH58, combined with the Kohler 602 system, is a perfect solution in the forestry industry. With a 120 600 horsepower engine, the Dinas Kemuf industrial crusher can easily handle dense vegetation. Weights from 4,500 to 9,000 pounds make the machine stable on difficult terrain, making it ideal for marsh restoration projects. Caterpillar D7F is a powerful dozer perfect for clearing log hauling routes with a 200 horsepower engine that makes clearing rocks and obstacles a breeze. The machine's weight of approximately 44.10 pounds ensures stability and durability over rough terrain, making it ideal for creating forest roads. The Vermeer T1255TL is an extremely powerful surface and rock mining machine featuring a 1,200 horsepower engine. With a 3.7-meter wide cutting drum system, the T1255TL can cut up to 81 centimeters deep, processing 500 tons of rock or ore per hour. The Massey Ferguson Ideal 7 is a modern combine harvester, optimized for large-scale wheat harvesting. With a 451 horsepower engine and a cutting table of up to 12 meters, the Ideal 7 can harvest more than 50 tons of wheat per hour. Ploger AR4BX is a modern potato harvester, featuring a 4-row harvest design, allowing for quick and easy field handling. With an engine capacity of around 400 horsepower and a tank capacity of up to 8 tons, the AR4BX can harvest more than 1 hectare of potatoes per hour. The SFM Samurai is a modern self-propelled apple harvester, optimally designed for large-scale apple orchards. With a picking arm with an 8-meter reach and a container that can hold up to 3 tons of apples, the Samurai can harvest up to 10 tons of apples per hour, while ensuring the fruit is not bruised. Versus Cabbage Harvester is a famous specialized equipment in the UK, helping farmers harvest cabbage quickly and evenly. With the ability to harvest 4 rows of cabbage at the same time, the machine processes up to 10,000 plants per hour, ensuring that the vegetables are cut neatly and not crushed. The 6-meter-long conveyor belt brings the cabbage to the container or packaging conveyor right in the field, saving labor and keeping the quality of fresh cabbage from the field to the supermarket. Bud 16 V747 is the world's largest tractor, dubbed the Field Beast when preparing land for the planting season. With a huge capacity of up to 1,100 horsepower and a working width of up to 24 meters, the Big Bud 16 V747 can plow 30 to 35 centimeters deep and process more than 400 hectares of land in just one day. This This is the giant of the coal mining industry, weighing up to 8,000 tons and the height of a 20-story building. With a bucket wheel diameter of more than 20 meters containing dozens of buckets, this machine can mine and move up to 240,000 tons of coal per day. Thanks to its ability to work continuously and move flexibly on a crawler system, this is the symbol of the power of large-scale open-pit coal mines in the world. The Caterpillar 992G is the ideal heavy-duty wheel loader for open-pit coal mines, featuring an operating weight of over 95 tons and a bucket capacity of up to 12 cubic meters. With a powerful output of over 814 horsepower, the 992G can scoop and fill a truckload of coal in just minutes, moving up to 1,000 tons of coal per hour. Hot coal slag dumpers are indispensable steel warriors at the metallurgical plant, specializing in handling red-hot coal slag at temperatures up to 1,500 degrees Celsius. Each machine can move and dump up to 100 tons of slag in a single cycle, helping to maintain the furnace capacity of thousands of tons of steel per day. This is a specialized tree stump removal and cutting machine ideal for land reclamation or roadside tree work. With a cutting force of up to 127 tons, the stump shear 1270 easily uproots and cuts stumps up to 1.5 meters in diameter in just a few minutes. The Vermeer T1055 Commander 3 is a powerful trenching machine, ideal for large-scale infrastructure projects. With an engine power of more than 415 horsepower, the T1055 can dig trenches up to 1.8 meters deep and 610 mm wide, processing more than 200 meters of trench per hour on hard or rocky terrain. Thank you for watching the whole video. If you see any impressive machine, please leave a comment to let us know. Subscribe to our channel to watch more interesting videos. See you in the next video.